Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you some tricks that you can do with Bitskout image recognition models. And specifically I wanted to show you how you can first create a model just for one project. You don't have to keep the model forever. You can create it just for whatever activity you want and then delete it. And second, I wanted to show you how image recognition models, how you add labels when you don't really know what label it will be. In this case, we'll be checking a door package for our construction site. So let's add a model. Let's call it like that. Acme delivery means that it's just for that project. It doesn't mean that it will stay forever. And because we don't know the labels that the system will generate, what we've done previously, we collected several images of examples of the delivery that we expected, which then we're going to use to detect the labels. So I just took a couple of images from internet, and let's start with that one. It's simple. It probably will be detected as a handle. That's right. Let's add a little bit the confidence here. And let's proceed doing with the same examples of each and every component you want to check. Let's just add and verify what the algorithm is detecting, so later on we don't make mistakes in our model. So here as an example, we use the soundproofing curtain, and it's just detected as a shower curtain, which is not right. So let's use just a curtain. The reason why it happened is that the algorithms today, they're not trained for proprietary data, which is one of the biggest long-term values of using Bitskout, where you will collect your proprietary data and you will be able to build such algorithms for yourself only. Okay, so but that's for another video. Now let's just continue adding all the components we want to check just to make sure that the machine detects what machine detects. We will use as a label. Okay. And maybe the last thing. Okay, we are ordering plywood. Same thing. 90. And the last thing, which is actually a door. Yes, it will be a door. Now, what we have done, we have prepared a model that will validate just this delivery. Okay, it means then in this use case that you can see later on, what we're gonna do is there will be a separate task per each item. In this case, per handle, soundproofing curtain, screw, the door itself, and material. And the warehouse employees has to make photos that we make sure that that's what we have received to avoid errors. Okay, and that door specification was in initial contract that was signed with this contractor. Okay, now here is an important thing. In this case, we call it model accuracy, but we need only one of them to be detected. It means we don't need, like in one image, all the items to be present. That's not our target, because we're gonna split the task in such a way so each item has a separate photo. That's why we need the accuracy of 20%. In this case, 20% accuracy means that any of them, but at least one, should be present. Okay, out of 100. So let's create a model. So now our model is ready and we can use it in a workflow. But the point what I wanted to make here, that you can actually create a second model, which is same thing, Acme delivery window delivery, and add here in the same way all the window components. So basically the Bitskout allows you this flexibility. You're not tied to having all the models all the time running. So you can create them for a project, delete them. Create workflows, delete them. That flexibility is very important when the projects are running really fast and you have a lot of things to do. Okay? Thanks a lot for your time, and I hope it was useful.